Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain you how to use AND gate logic in ladder diagram. Let's start. Friends, this is the symbol of the AND gate logic. This is A, this is B, and this is Y, that is your output. Here 0 will represent de-energized coil or off condition. 1 will represent the energized coil or on condition. Now see how to use AND gate logic in ladder diagram. This is the rungs, these are the rungs, and this is control relay or switch, you can say. This is second switch and this is our lamp. This is A, this is B. In AND gate logic, both the switches are arranged in series and both are in normally open position. To understand how the AND gate logic work in the ladder diagram, let's see a truth table and its explanation. Here this is A, this is B, and this is Y, that is our output. This is Y. 1, 2, 3. Here 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Now let's see how it works. Here first condition is 0 0 and output will be the 0. Here 0 means no energy will pass through the switch 1 and switch B, that is switch A and switch B, so the lamp will not glow. This is our first condition. And the second condition, let's see, normally open both and this is lamp. In the second condition, A will be de-energized and the B, this is A, this is B, this is Y, B will be energized. So here also this will be energized, so it will get closed, but our lamp will not glow in this condition. In the third case, in this case both are in series, so we need to energize both the switches at a time to get the Y energized. In the third case, this is lamp. In the third case, A will be energized and B will be de-energized, and so the output here also the lamp will not glow. This is energized, so because of this the contacts get closed. This is open, normally open, and this is off again. In the fourth condition, here see fourth condition. In the fourth condition, see, A will be energized, B also energized, so lamp will glow. This is closed, this is closed, because both are energized, so their contacts get closed, so lamp will on now and it will glow. In the series connection, both the switches are closed, so lamp has on. So friends, in this video you have seen how to use AND gate logic in ladder diagram and how it works. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.